Hey everyone, Asha here from Pandemonium. I have a DIY project that I'm going to do today. It is putting the pump together. Let me show you why I'm going to do this. Boy, it's windy today. Gusts up to 40-mile-an-hour winds. It's not too bad right this second, but I've had this tank installed on the property and it is gravity fed. This is a little higher than where my RV is, which is over there behind that bush or in front of the bush. The problem is this can be a bit slow going and there's not much pressure in the line, so this will take a while. These are the parts that I bought for the portable pump. Got hosing, the pump itself, some connectors, more connectors here, and the clamps. I think the only thing that I'm missing, because I wasn't planning on putting it, connecting it to a hose, I was actually planning on putting it in one of the portable jugs and just draining it out of the jugs. I can still do that, but it would be nice to connect it to a hose. So I need to get the female one of these so I can connect it to a hose. Here's the pump out. I did buy a DC connector that plugs into the cigarette lighter. I don't know what I've done with it. It should have been in the bag, but I didn't see it, so I'm going to have to look for that. These connectors actually go here and one on the other side. So first I'm going to take these and connect them into where they go. Let's see. Oh, it's these ones. Oh, it does have thread, but I think this is the wrong size one. I need the bigger one, and I do need the one that's more like a hose. So that won't work, but it does come with these two here. Okay, just pushes in, and then that clamps down. That's the first connection right there. Need to do the same thing on this side. Just push it in. A little bit of force. Make sure that's sticking out. That's it. And it just clamps down like that. There, they're in good. So the hoses are ready to be connected. Just gonna cut the hose. Make one side a little longer than the other. Oh, God. I think I need better scissors. Okay, I got better scissors. Now I'm going to cut the hose. Okay, yay, all done. I put the clamp on the hose. Now I just have to install the hose onto this fitting here. Seems like the hose is kind of small, so it's going to take me a minute. It's a little bit of a pain. Just going to twist it on. I have almost got it, just a little bit more to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Fortunately, this one wasn't as big, so it's easier to get on. Much better. So I just have to tighten that clamp down. Okay, nice. Got that fitting done. Now this is the last thing I have to do. Oh, that's a pain. Okay. Okay, all done. This is what the finished product looks like. Like I said, I want to get a female for this side so I can connect it to a hose. But other than that, it's looking good. I do need to find that plug that plugs into this. I know I bought it, I just have to locate it. I don't know how it got separated from it. Well, I've looked all over and can't seem to find the plug anywhere. But it's okay, because I made my own. I had an old DC plug, and also my friend, Russ, had an Anderson connector. And it is the right way. It's positive on this side and negative, because it's opposite. And so that'll work. I just have to plug this in. Okay, Here we go. Nice. Push together a little bit more. Alright, well it's all done. It's ready to be hooked into DC. My friend's setup is a little different than this because he hooks it to a car battery, so it has the clips on it. But I wanted this to run off of my Goal Zero. That's why I put it on a DC plug. So this should work. I guess we can test it out. Alright, Scotty filled the jugs for me. And I've got this connected, the pump and the battery. So we're just going to check and see if it works. I just have to cut the battery on. There it goes. Awesome. And it's working.
It's filling. Sweet.
Yep. Nice. So all I have to do is get the female connector for this side, and I can hook it to a hose and just pump out of the tank. But this will work for now. The pump is going, and it's saying that it's outputting 3.2 amps. That's not bad at all. What is it?
We brought some gifts for the property.
Oh, yay!
Oops. Uh-oh, this one's got.
Oh, that's too cute. I love that. That'll be perfect up there.
Exactly. Either below or
And
above
then-
in the tree.
What does that say? My ranch, my rules. That's awesome. I love that.
And you could paint them colors.
Cool. Okay, we gotta find a spot for it.
Yeah, you can paint them in bright colors or different colors or...
That would be really cool.
Maybe with some wire, you could
Yeah.
tie them to the branches.
I think I do have some wire.
Like this one could maybe go hang.
Okay. Let me get some wire.
Awesome.
Thanks, y'all.
You're welcome.
We heard the new wind chimes.
Oh, did you?
Oh, beautiful. I love the big one.
The big ones?
It
Yeah.
sounds so neat.
They make a nice sound.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to get the ones that are like deep toned.
Oh, yeah, the wood with the
Yeah.
heavy-duty chime
Yes.
ones.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that would be really sweet.
Awesome. Saloon.
What do you think about painting?
That looks awesome. My ranch, my rules. And then saloon. Saloon! Right by the bar.
The Ranchamondium.
The Ranchamondium. That's funny. I know this is a pretty short video, but I wanted to show you the portable water pump. Like I said, my friend Ed had made one of his own. That's where I got the idea from. And people were asking how it was put together. Like I said, you can go check out his channel, which is Bandit the Nomad Pug. And he has that video on his channel where he put his setup together. So you can definitely go check his video out and see how he put his together. Like I said, I wanted to run mine off of the Goal Zero that I had, the lithium battery pack. That's why I put a DC plug on it. And I just like the whole DC plug better. And it only uses 3.2 amps, which is not bad at all. Luckily, I was able to find all the parts when I was in Flagstaff at a ranch store. Now, I don't know if that's the same as, it's probably like a farm store or something like that. But in Flagstaff, there was a ranch store and they had the pump, which was, I think it was less than 60 bucks, which is really inexpensive. Because I bought a pump at an RV shop for my old rig, and it was $130 something. So if you look, you can find the pumps cheaper. So hopefully that'll work out for you. And I hope this idea helped you, because a portable pump is always a good thing to have around. Like I said, this can be used on a ranch or in an RV or van life. It's very versatile. You can use it for many things. Like I said, the only thing missing is the female end, so I can hook it to the water tank, and that way I can pump directly from the water tank, and that should work out much better. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me in this video. Like I said, I hope it helped, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Safe travels and onward bound. Love you guys out there. Bye for now. Mwah.